Ciao world! This is an Atom mini PC, you can see the case here, and the problem with this one is that it does not boot. I have tried with my external supply, yet it sucks almost 1.5 amps, so there's something here that doesn't work. So let's see with the thermal camera if I can catch the things that is broken. I have inspected with the thermal camera and seems a tantalum caps here is burning. So the problem was that cap here that I have replaced, but I cannot find one like this, so I've buy a 226.3 volts and replaced it and moved that one that was there to that place here, and I have put the new one here. So let's see, should work. So it's running Proxmox right now because I have used this as a Proxmox server, then it get broken, so I replaced my Proxmox Backup servers, but on this hard drive there's still Proxmox.